Let's now simplify this complex fraction 1 over a plus 1 minus 1 over a, all of that over 1 over a. And now let's use method 2 to simplify this complex fraction. Now, step 1 of method 2 is to find the least common denominator of all the fractions within the complex fraction. Now, our denominators are a plus 1, a, and a, so our LCD would be a times a plus 1. Now, moving on to step 2, which is to multiply both the numerator and denominator of the complex fraction by this LCD, we would multiply the top and bottom by the a times a plus 1. So we would end up with the following fraction. We now move on to step 3. Now, step 3 is to use the distributive property to eliminate the denominators. So in the top, when we multiply the first term inside the brackets by the LCD, the a plus 1's cancel, and we end up with just a. And when we multiply the second term inside the brackets by the LCD, the a's cancel, we get minus the quantity a plus 1. And don't forget that minus sign is for all of the numerator. Now, multiplying the denominator terms by the LCD, the a's cancel, and we end up with just a plus 1. Now, do not try to cancel the a plus 1's on the top and bottom. As soon as there's a plus or minus sign between terms, you cannot cancel that way. So now let's move to step 4. Now, step 4 is to reduce to lowest terms. Now, to do that, I would first simplify our numerator, and when we do that, distributing that minus sign, the a's would cancel, and we would end up with negative 1 over a plus 1. And since that cannot be reduced, that is our final answer. Again, we no longer have fractions in our numerator or denominator, so this is our answer. Now also, I want to just repeat that you can use either method 1 or method 2 to simplify any complex fraction. Just use whichever one you're comfortable with, and make sure not to mix up the two methods.